Hello, this is Rosie and I am here to tell you about the different keyboarding skills regarding the keyboard by which you can learn typing in a better way. So firstly, we have to discuss about the keyboard. We will learn what is keyboard. Keyboard, that is an input device which is used to type different letters, numbers and symbols into programs like word processor etc. The keys on a keyboard are arranged in a QWERTY keypad manner, that is, the first keys of the keyboard will be in Q, W, E, R, T and Y and so on. Now here is a picture of image of keyboard in front of you. You can see what keyboard will look like and you can see the QWERTY keypad starting from here. Now what are the different keys of keyboard? There are so many keys available on the keyboard. First one is your number keys by which you can type different kind of numbers, arrow keys, or you can say that cursor control keys or navigation keys which we use to move on in a program or a document. Space bar, that is the longest key available on a keyboard and which is used to give the space between two words. Next is your tab key, then alt key, enter key which is used to create a new line, and backspace key that is used to delete the character to the left of the cursor. Like that, some more keys are there like your functional keys that stand from F1 to F12 and they perform a different task according to the program. Punctuation keys, all plus minus all mathematical operators plus your full stop, semicolons, question mark, all these that will also come in your punctuation keys. Control key, shift key and ESC key. Next is your numeric keypad that is available on the right hand side of the keyboard and which is also used to enter the numbers. Locking keys, these are mainly two, caps lock and number lock, and page up page down keys available to move on a page up and down. Print screen, which is used to take the screenshot of the current window, and last one is your Windows keys which is used to open the start menu at any time. Now next is your mouse. What is mouse? Mouse is also an input device that is used to select the items on the desktop. Mouse was named as such due to the shape and size of the device. Codeless mouse is also available for a days. Now next, this is the image of mouse. Here you can see what mouse will look like. What are the functions or operations we can perform with the mouse? That is your click or left click. That second is your right click which you do to check the shortcut options available with the selected object, and next is your double click. This is the quickest way to open any file or folder or application at any time. Now next one is your home keys. What are home keys which is available on the keyboard? Home keys are those keys on the computer keyboard our finger rests on when not typing. When we are not typing any kind of content, our finger rests on a particular keys, then those particular keys are considered as your home keys. Home keys for the left hand are, that is your A, S, D and F, and the home keys for the right hand, that is your J, K, L and semicolon. There is one more thing available on the keyboard, that is your guide keys. There are two guide keys available on the keyboard for the alphabet content, that is F. F is the guide key for your left hand and J, that is the guide key for your right hand, which is used to place your hands in a proper way or at a proper place in home row. Now this is the way by which you can allocate your fingers on the home row. Left hand finger, index finger should be on F, middle finger that should be on D, ring finger that should be on S and little finger that should be on A, and thumb you will use for pressing the space bar as you can see in the image. Same for the right hand, index finger will press I, middle finger J, ring finger K and little finger that will press semicolon. Now here is an image that is defining the position of fingers on the keyboard, which key you can press by which